Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally OnePlus have started rolling out AI features on their OnePlus smartphones. Today OnePlus 12R and OnePlus 12 have got one amazing AI feature, and in this video we'll talk about that. Other than this AI feature, OnePlus 12R also received few other changes. So in this video we'll talk about that AI feature and other changes. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have two phones. Towards the left hand side this is OnePlus 12 and towards the right hand side this is OnePlus 12R. First of all, let me show you the software information of this latest update. For OnePlus 12 the version is .608 and for OnePlus 12R the version is .505. On OnePlus 12R I did not receive the OTA update, so I had to manually install the file. If you guys haven't received the update, you can use the OxygenOS updater application, or else you can find the zip file on our Telegram group. On OnePlus 12 we had the OTA update and the update size was 171 MB. If you see the change logs on OnePlus 12, we only have the smart services, which is this new AI feature. But on OnePlus 12R, along with this AI feature, we also have some more changes which OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 10 Pro have already received with their latest update. Even with the latest update, OnePlus 12R still has the 5th Feb 2024 security patch, but OnePlus 12 has 5th March 2024 security patch. And guys, now before moving ahead, we have 87% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So now let's talk about that new feature. First of all, that feature is under the stock gallery of OnePlus, which is called Photos application. So once you install this update, you need to agree to some terms and conditions, which you will see soon you open the gallery application. So basically this feature lets you erase subjects from the background. So for example, here I have this photo and you can see here towards the bottom side now we have this AI eraser. Tapping on it, again you have to agree to some terms and conditions. You guys can go through those terms and conditions, and here there are two ways to remove. One is smart lasso, you can just circle that subject, and the second one is this paint over, in which you can just paint over the subject and that subject will be removed. So first let's try with this lasso tool. So here I'll completely erase this subject, which is me, and let's see how does it do. Okay, so it did pretty well. If I zoom in this photo, shadows are still available. I'll try to circle the shadow also and let's see if it gets removed or not. And yes, and it does the job pretty well. Until unless I zoom in too much, you won't be able to make out if any object has been removed or not. Tapping on compare, you can see. And now let's take this photo. So tapping on edit, AI eraser, and we'll use this paint over tool now. You can accordingly adjust the size of the paintbrush. So first I'll erase this puppy, and you can see how well AI recognized the puppy and completely erased from the photo. And if the image size is below 100 KB, you won't be able to use this AI feature. So the image has to be above 100 KB. So this is how this new AI feature works on OnePlus smartphones. Right now it's only for OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R. But you guys let me know in the comment section below what all AI features you guys are looking on OnePlus smartphones with the upcoming builds in future. There's nothing different on OnePlus 12. It works similar way how it works on OnePlus 12R. I'll just show you one example. So I'll try to remove this phone from the picture, and there we go. In some complicated scenarios, AI do mess up, but it's a useful feature which can come in handy in some of the photos where you want to remove the subject or the object. Now let's talk about the other changes what they have done on OnePlus 12R. And as said, these are the similar changes what we have seen on OnePlus 12 and 10 Pro with their latest update. So with the second change on OnePlus 12R, now you can create collage without having frame. Previously, under every collage you create, we always used to see a frame. But now there's this first option under Stitch, which lets you create a collage without having a frame. After that, under Gestures and Motion, they have also added this option to turn on or off torch using the volume down key. So by default this is disabled. You need to enable it, and this will only work if your device screen is off. So right now you can see device screen is off. If now I press and hold the volume down key, the flashlight will trigger. And the same way you can turn it off using the volume down key. And this will only work if the screen is turned off. And with this latest update, even OnePlus 12R got this redesigned volume UI, and this is how it looks now. It covers the entire screen, but it looks pretty neat. You guys let me know which UI do you prefer, the newer one or the older one. Let me know in the comment section below. After that, we have also got the support of app specific volume. So that is also by default disabled. You need to enable it by going to sounds and vibration, and here you can see the option app specific volume. Once you enable that, now you can individually control the volume of specific applications. So for example, I'll play a music here, and if anything is being played in the background, when you press the volume buttons, you'll see this new gear icon of app volume. and from here you can control the volume of that specific application. And later they have improved the touch control experience in certain scenarios and improved the compatibility of USB connections between phone in cars and phone in PCs. I personally never had any kind of issues with the connectivity with my PC, but some users might have faced that issue. Let us know in the comment section below whether it has been fixed or not. So guys, these are the AI changes and new features what you guys will see on OnePlus 12 and 12R. If you guys have any kind of questions, let us know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.